Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they will try to catch them unawares.
Not this one, B2.
Let's try another, B1.
How can you tell when a watermelon is ready to eat bananas?
By the sound it makes, Amy.
What sound is that?
When you tap it and the watermelon sounds like this.
That means it's not ready yet.
So what is the sound, Bananas?
Hear that, Teddies?
We hear it!
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's watermelon eating time!
It looks delicious!
Let's eat!
Yum!
Scrumptious!
You know how to choose a terrific watermelon, Bananas.
Could we have some more, please, Lulu?
Don't eat too fast. When you eat too fast, you could get the hiccups. Oh dear, you did eat too fast. Bananas?
How did we get up here, B2?
I don't know, B1.
Gosh!
Those are serious hiccups.
How did we get down here, B1?
I don't know that either, B2.
The bananas have the biggest hiccups I've ever seen. They're bouncing around like ping pong balls.
They've got ping pong hiccups.
Here, bananas, have a glass of water.
Don't worry, we'll hold you down.
Having a big glass of water can help stop hiccups.
Someone once told me that you should suck your thumb.
We'll try anything.
And I heard that you should stand on one leg. And rubbing your tummy might help.
And someone also told me that hopping is good too.
Look out, bananas! Yow! Are you okay, bananas?
Yes, thanks, Amy.
And your hiccups? Have they stopped?
No, they haven't.
Aim for Rat's shop, bananas! He might have something to help you!
You know what the problem is here, Teddies?
What, Rat?
The bananas have ping-pong hiccups.
We know that, Rat. Can you help them?
Can I? I most certainly can. I have a very old and very secret hiccup cure.
Secret?
A cure passed down from rat to rat from long ago times. What you are about to see will amaze you. So be prepared.
My guess is that it's something to do with cheese.
Behold the cure for hiccups.
Cheese?
Cheese can do anything. Haven't you heard the saying, some cheese a day keeps the hiccups away?
No.
Well, you've heard it now. All you have to do, bananas, is nibble a little cheese, like this. Oh, so nice. Oh, mouth-watering. Oh, what a delight.
Rat, what about the bananas?
Oh, yes. the bananas. Just nibble away, bananas. Trust me, I'm a rat. That's it. Nibble away. Oh, what bliss.
How do you feel, bananas?
We feel banana-tastic.
And pajama-rific too!
That's amazing! Cheese can cure hiccups.
Of course it can. Cheese can do anything. Off you go, bananas. You're now completely cured.
Uh-oh.
Cheese and whiskers. This wasn't supposed to happen at all.
We're bananas, but they will stop you bouncing.
It's okay, Amy.
We understand.
Can you help, Charlie?
I might have the very thing to help with ping pong hiccups.
Great idea, Charlie.
You're a clever, clever monkey. Almost as clever as a clever, clever rat.
Here it is.
What will that box do, Charlie?
You'll see, Bananas. We just have to wind it up and wait. I'm sorry about that, Bananas.
But a surprise can sometimes cure hiccups. And if we told you about it, it wouldn't have been a surprise.
But has it worked?
No, it hasn't.
Will these hiccups...
Ever stop?
They will stop, Bananas. I just don't know when.
We must be able to do something.
But we've tried everything.
There's nothing else we can do.
That's it. That's what we should do. Let's do nothing.
Well, I can do that. I'm very good at doing nothing.
What I mean is, we do nothing about the hiccups, but we do something else. So the bananas will stop thinking about the hiccups.
And then the hiccups should go away by themselves.
Bananas, would you like to go and pick the rest of the watermelons?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am B2.
It's watermelon picking time!
This one's ready.
This one too.
And this one. Extraordinary.
Oh, there's nothing better than a little hard work in the garden on a beautiful day. After a nap, that is.
We have watermelons for all our friends.
Oh, be careful, bananas. Those watermelons are very heavy. The table might break.
A watermelon? For me? Wow! Would you like one of my honey cakes, Camembert?
Yes, please, darling. Look there. Well, I never.
Never, ever.
I'm coming. Oh, goodness me, what a treat.
It's raining watermelons!
Running fast as we can, sprinting hard over land, moving legs, heels and toes, pumping arms, watch us go, swiftly cutting through the air, like a speedy startled hare. Let's run, gotta run, let's run. Let's run, gotta run, let's run. Let's run, gotta run, 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 run.
Oh, cheese and whiskers. I can't look.
But, Bananas, what about your hiccups?
Hiccups?
We don't have the hiccups!
See? I knew if the bananas stopped thinking about the hiccups that they'd go away.
A banana-rific idea, Amy.
You've all been so helpful.
Thanks, Teddies. Thanks, Charlie.
And don't forget Rat.
Where is Rat?
Oh, up here! Oh, this watermelon is no cheese, but I must say, it's actually quite delicious.
Oh, you rat in a hat!
I love visiting Charlie, B2.
He's always inventing something interesting, B1.
Something banana-tastic.
Something pajama-rific.
Something we should hurry to see. Perhaps we should hurry slowly, B2.
Good idea, B1.
Here's my latest invention, Bananas. I invented it yesterday.
An ice cream.
But Charlie, ice cream's already been invented.
We've had ice cream forever.
It's not the ice cream. Press the small button on the cone and you'll see what I mean. It's my mechanical ice cream cone. Instead of you moving the cone as you lick and getting ice cream on your hand, the ice cream moves for you.
Jama-rama.
Eating ice cream will be better than ever.
What's happening, Charlie?
They shouldn't be doing that. And the cone certainly shouldn't be doing that.
Ow!
Oh dear. Sorry, Bananas. I think they need a little fine-tuning. The bathroom's through there.
Thanks, Charlie.
Let's see what other new inventions I can show you.
We like that, Charlie.
Today I'm working on... Oh my! This can't be right. How extraordinary!
What is it, Charlie?
Nothing!
Nothing?
I have no other inventions to work on at all.
None?
Not a single one. What am I to do?
Perhaps you could...
Or maybe you could... Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's Charlie's holiday time!
You might be right, Bananas. Yes.
We'll start your holiday with a picnic.
Then we'll play some games and go for a swim.
That sounds excellent.
What are all those things, Charlie?
It's everything we might need for my holiday. Like this. Stand back. It's my umbrella-matic.
Perfect for our picnic.
I do like being prepared.
Have you seen Tolstoy today?
No, we haven't.
He went for a swim on the lake yesterday and he hasn't come home.
Oh, no!
Where could he be? I'm so worried.
You won't be worried for long.
Because we're going to go and find him.
You will? Oh, thank you.
How will we find him, B2?
Well, I'm not sure, B1.
It's all right, Bananas. I have the very thing we need. This should do it. My pop-up speedboat.
Ha! Just when we think you can't amaze us anymore, Charlie.
You continue to amaze us even more.
Thank you, Bananas. I try my best. I think we're ready, Bananas.
This boat will help us search the whole lake really quickly.
We'll bring Tolstoy home, Thomasina.
Oh, thank you. I do hope you find him soon.
Let's move off, Bananas. Steady as she goes.
Aye, aye, Skipper.
Good luck. Oh.
No sign of Tolstoy yet.
We hope you're not unhappy, Charlie.
Why would I be unhappy?
This is meant to be your holiday.
Don't worry, Bananas. I'd much rather be helping Tolstoy than having a holiday.
We would too.
Oh, I see something.
Is it Tolstoy?
No, it's a rock. and it's straight ahead. You better turn and go around it.
Right away, Charlie. Oh no!
What's wrong, B1?
The tiller! It won't budge!
I'll help you.
Now it's stuck the other way!
It's stuck again.
Pull harder!
Oh dear.
It's unstuck, B1.
Thank you, B2. Sorry about that, Charlie.
Charlie?
Oh no! We've lost Charlie!
Now we've got to look for Tolstoy and Charlie too.
Bananas!
Someone's calling us!
Bananas!
But who's calling us?
Oof!
Sorry, B1.
I'm sorry too, B2.
Here I am, Bananas!
It's Tolstoy!
We've been looking for you, Tolstoy.
And I'm happy you found me. My leg's caught in these reeds.
Not for long. We'll get you out.
Twist that,
Pull this.
and you're free!
Oh,
Thank you, Bananas.
no problem, Tolstoy.
But now we're all tangled.
Try and shake them off.
That did it. Great idea, Tolstoy. Oh,
Are you all right, Bananas?
we're fine, Tolstoy.
Now let's get you home.
Thomasina's very worried about you.
Then we should get home fast.
Fast it is, Tolstoy.
Something wrong, Bananas?
We can't go home yet. There's something we've got to do.
Something very important.
What is it?
We can't remember.
If only Charlie was here, he'd know.
Charlie! That's it. We've got to find Charlie.
Then we'll get home fast.
Why aren't we moving?
It's those reeds again. They've tangled the propeller.
Give it full power, B2.
Right, B1. Full power!
Be careful, Bananas. You don't want to lose control. Bananas?
We're back here, Tolstoy.
Oh, my.
Help us, Tolstoy.
How?
Slow the boat down!
Of course. Slow the boat down. I can do that. I can't do that.
Try again.
Please. Maybe this might work. That did it. But it didn't slow down the bananas.
Where are the bananas? Why haven't they come back for me? If I'm not mistaken, here they come! And there they go! How extraordinary!
Charlie,
Tolstoy, you're safe!
thanks to the bananas, I'm coming to pick you up.
What do we do, B2?
We've got to slow down sometime, B1,
We better slow down soon.
because we're running out of lake.
Goodness! Is that the bananas?
Hello, Thomasina.
Don't worry, Tolstoy's safe!
And he's right behind us.
Thank you, bananas! Bananas?
B1, grab the umbrella!
Grabbing now, B2. We got it.
It's working!
We're slowing down.
I'm so glad you're all right, Tolstoy.
Thanks to the bananas and Charlie.
Where exactly are the bananas?
They went that way.
Let's follow those tracks.
Excellent thinking, Tolstoy!
The tracks end here.
It's like they've just disappeared.
But where?
Up here!
Here we are!
You say I amaze you, Bananas, but you amaze me even more.
We hope it hasn't been a bad holiday, Charlie.
We had lots of things planned, but we didn't do any of them.
It's been a wonderful holiday, Bananas, and we can always do those other things tomorrow.
You want a holiday again tomorrow?
Not only tomorrow, but for the rest of the week.
Banana-tastic!
Could we join you?
I'd be delighted if you did.
Thanks, Charlie.
And I have just the thing to finish this holiday picnic.
Ice cream!
Ice cream?
Are they your special ice cream inventions?
Oh no, they're just normal ice creams.
Then we'll have one.
Yes, thank you, Charlie.
There'll be no more inventions today. After all, I'm on holiday.
Hooray!
Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they'll try to catch them unawares.
I smell jellies. Now, who has the jellies? The bananas!
What do you think, B2?
I think Bernard's gonna love these jellies, B1.
That's what I think too.
Bernard? Oh, hello, bananas.
Hello, Rat.
I was just walking by, for no reason at all. Such a lovely day and all that. Oh my, are they jellies?
They sure are jellies, Rat.
We just made them.
And don't they look delicious? You wouldn't want to share one with a friend, a good friend, like me?
We'd love to share one with you.
Wonderful!
But we can't.
You can't.
These jellies are for Bernard.
He's in bed with a cold.
And these jellies will really pick him up.
Well, that's very thoughtful of you, Bananas, but all the jellies are for Bernard.
All the jellies.
And the birdseed too.
Birdseed? Bernard doesn't eat birdseed.
He's been looking after some young birds.
So the birdseed is for them.
We'll make more jellies for you later, Rat.
As soon as we get back.
I'll be here and waiting, Bananas. Bye.
Bye, Rat.
Oh, cheese and whiskers. Oh, now I have to wait for a jelly. And wait. And wait. And wait some more. Oh, but I can't. I want a jelly. And I want a jelly now.
Rat was right, B2. It is a lovely day.
A perfect day for a walk to Bernard's home, B1.
Stop, Bananas!
What's the matter, Rat?
Why did you stop us?
You can't come this way, Bananas, unless you pay the jelly toll.
The jelly toll?
Anyone who crosses this line must pay 1 jelly.
What line, Rat?
That line. 1 jelly, please.
But we don't want to lose a jelly, Rat.
All our jellies are for Bernard.
If you don't pay the jelly toll, you'll have to take the long way round to Bernard's home.
What a great idea, Rat.
But why is that a great idea?
It is a lovely day for a walk.
And the long way isn't that long after all. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's walk time!
Thank you, Rat.
But, cheese and whiskers. Oh, now, remember, Rat, you're a clever, clever rat. There's more than one way for you to get a jelly.
Good old Rat.
He always has such banana-tastic ideas.
Look at that, B2.
What a pretty flower, B1.
Now!
What was that?
Must have been a bee.
A very big bee.
Oh, really? This is too much.
Look, B2.
Butterflies, B1.
Let's take a seat and watch them.
But not for long. We have to get these jellies to Bernard.
Uh-oh, we'd better not sit there.
Not on an ant's nest.
Here's the spot.
Now, I tried to swoop in high to get a jelly, but now I'll sneak in low.
Aren't they beautiful, B1?
Very beautiful, B2.
Almost there.
Time to get going, B2.
Right you are, B1. Hup, 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 hup. Bye-bye, butterflies.
What are they doing? They can't just leave like that. Oh! Ants! No, I'm rat in a hat with ants in my pants! Excellent! I'm here before the bananas. Oh, hello there. You must be the young birds that Bernard is looking after. Don't you fret now. The bananas will soon be here with birdseed for you. And a jelly for me. Bernard! Bernard? Oh, this is just what I was hoping for. Bernard's still resting. And those things are just what I need for my tricky plan. I'm a rat, I'm a rat, I'm a tricky, tricky rat. Come in!
Hello? Hello? Bernard?
I'm in here! I'm in here. Bananas, me, Bernard, here I am.
Good morning, Bernard.
Good morning. Oh, my. Are those jellies for me? Oh, they look delicious.
Oh, dear.
What's the matter, Bananas?
We're sorry, Bernard, but you don't look very well.
I don't?
You look terrible.
I do?
What a big nose you have, Bernard.
All the better to smell those jellies.
What a big tail you have, Bernard.
Oh, all the better to wag it to show how happy I am about the jellies.
And what big teeth you have, Bernard.
All the better to eat the jellies. Can I eat them now? They will make me feel so much better.
We really hope they do, Bernard.
But first we'll get some spoons and napkins.
Then we'll be right back.
But I was so close. Oh, cheese and whiskers.
Poor Bernard, his cold is much worse than we thought.
He doesn't look himself at all.
Oh, good morning, Bananas.
Bernard?
Aha! You've got the seed for my young birds. And, are those jellies for me?
They are, Bernard.
Oh, thank you so much, Bananas.
But shouldn't you be resting?
Oh, no, I'm feeling much better now.
You certainly look better.
I'll feed the birds while you get the jellies ready.
Bernard got better quicker than anyone I've ever seen, B2.
He sure did, B1.
Where are those bananas with my jelly? At last! Bring those jellies closer, Bananas.
Bernard? What are you doing in here?
Why aren't you feeding the birds?
I'm much too sick to do that.
We thought you were better.
No, I'm much worse than ever. But you know what would make me feel better? Those jellies. Just leave them here and come back later.
Oh, okay, Bernard.
If you're sure.
Very sure, Bananas. Bye.
Oh, bye.
This is all very confusing.
One moment Bernard is feeling better.
And the next he's feeling worse. Bernard?
What are you doing out here?
Feeding the birds.
But you can't be outside because you're inside.
But I'm right here, Bananas.
How can you be inside and outside at the same time?
There'd have to be two Bernards.
I'm sure there's only one of me, Bananas.
But if you're Bernard, who's the other Bernard?
Oh, what a heavenly jelly!
Rat!
What's all this about, Rat? Let's hear an explanation.
Well, you see, I can explain. Oh, cheese and whiskers, I can't explain.
Those jellies were for Bernard.
I know. I couldn't help it. I couldn't wait.
There was no need for tricks, Rat. If you just asked me, I would have shared a jelly.
You would? Oh, so I can have a jelly.
Oh, it's too late now. You've already had one.
Oh, yes, so I have. I am sorry. I know I've done a bad thing. I'm a rat. I'm a naughty, naughty rat.
You'll have to make up for it, Rat.
Oh, you're right, Bananas. I'll do anything to make up for it.
Bernard should decide what to do.
Right again, Bananas. I'll do anything you want, Bernard.
I think I've got the very thing for you, Rat.
Oh, really?
Nice work, Rat.
But Bernard, how long do I have to keep feeding the birds?
Only until they can get food for themselves.
And when will that be?
Oh, in about 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
It looks like you've made some new friends, Rat.
New best friends.
Come on, Bananas. We've got some jellies to eat.
Coming, Bernard. Bye, Rat.
Glorious sunshine. All that's missing are some customers to make this a perfect day. An egg on my veranda. Oh, cheese and whiskers. Oh, it can't stay here.
Good morning, Rat. We need bread, please.
And don't forget the milk, B1.
And milk too.
Here's your shopping, Bananas. B2, don't lean on that. Cheese and whiskers.
Are you all right, B2?
I think so, B1.
And please, don't lean on anything else, B2.
Look! A fire-breathing dragon.
I love dragons.
Wouldn't it be great to meet one?
But I don't think dragons come to Cuddlestown much, B1.
That's 2 honey cakes, please.
What an enormous egg!
It looks as big as a dragon's egg.
There's no such thing as a... Wait a minute. Oh, this could be the answer to my problem. As a matter of fact, Bananas, you're right.
We are?
Well, this could indeed be a dragon's egg.
Banana-tastic!
Hush, Bananas. If you listen carefully, you might just hear the baby dragon tapping on its shell.
Can you hear anything, B1?
No. Can you, B2? I can hear something now, B2.
I wonder what it's saying.
I think it's asking you to take it home, Bananas.
Can we?
Well, you could, but there's just one tiny little problem, Bananas.
What's that, Rat?
Dragon's eggs are very expensive.
Oh dear. We only have 2 honey cakes left.
Is it enough?
All right then, just this once.
Jamarama!
You're the new owners of 1 dragon's egg.
I can't wait until it hatches.
And then we'll meet our new baby dragon.
Hi, Teddies.
We need your help to care for something very special.
Very, very special.
Oh, sorry, Bananas. We're really busy. It's bath time for our dollies. We're getting them ready for a tea party in the park.
And I'm baking a cake for the tea party.
The Teddies are very good at taking care of their dolls. If we watch carefully, we can take care of our egg the same way.
Now I just need to add a nice big egg to my cake mix.
Quick, we mustn't let Morgan see what we've got.
Our baby dragon might be lost forever.
Bye, Teddies.
The Teddy said it was important to keep their dolls clean.
So we'll keep our dragon's egg clean. Not too hot, not too cold.
It's just right. Oh no, the soap's making my hands slippery.
I'll help you, B2.
Whoa, whoa! Oh, get it, B1!
Our egg is sunk.
Come back, egg!
Please. Oh. Thank goodness it's not broken.
But it's still very wet.
Then we'd better dry him.
Ready, B1?
Ready, B2.
Whoa!
Phew. Maybe we should only use the hairdryer after our dragons hatch.
I think you're right, B1.
If taking care of an egg is this hard, what's it going to be like taking care of an actual dragon?
We'd better ask for help again.
Delicious.
Hello, Rat.
Sorry, you can't return it.
We don't want to return it.
We want your help, Rat.
What sort of help?
We need to know everything about how to look after a dragon.
Everything?
We have to be ready when our egg hatches.
Well, the first thing you need to know is the dragons love strawberries.
We don't have any strawberries.
Don't worry, Bananas. You can use my vegetable patch.
Banana-tastic!
All you have to do is weed it and plant your strawberry seeds.
Did you hear that, baby dragon? Rat's giving you his vegetable patch. I think that's it, B2.
All the weeds are gone, B1.
What do you think, baby dragon? Oh no!
Our egg's gone.
Where could it be, B2?
It can't walk, B1, so maybe it's
Under the weeds!
Found you!
We'll play hide and seek after you've hatched, little dragon.
But you're not old enough yet.
My Bananas, you have been working hard.
Our baby dragon will soon have lots of strawberries to eat.
And then he'll be able to fly all over Cuddlestown.
As a dragon expert, I can tell you that most dragons like to have a treehouse to jump off from once their wings are strong enough.
But we don't have a treehouse.
I've got an idea. You can use my tree to build a treehouse.
We can?
Why, thank you, Rat.
My Bananas.
We hope the baby dragon will like it.
I'm sure it will. It's the perfect place to enjoy a nice sunny day.
Do dragons like sunshine?
How should I know?
You said you were an expert on dragons.
Oh, yes, I am. Speaking of which, I think your little friend here needs somewhere nice to sleep.
Can't he sleep at our house?
Bad idea, Bananas. Dragons need their own place.
They do?
And luckily, I have just the solution. You can use my shed. The perfect castle for any dragon.
It doesn't look very perfect.
It looks like a dump.
All you have to do is clean it out, give it a fresh coat of paint, and it'll be fit for a king.
In that case, we'll start first thing tomorrow morning.
But now we need a big sleep after doing all this work today.
Bye-bye, Bananas. See you here bright and early tomorrow.
Good night, baby dragon.
Sweet dreams. A baby dragon has hatched.
I knew it would hatch.
But where's it gone, B2?
It must have gone through the window.
It could be anywhere, B2.
Maybe it's playing hide and seek, B1. It likes that game, remember?
You're right. I'll check behind that tree. Not here.
Oh, not here either.
Look, B2.
Our baby dragon.
Oh, we're so glad to see you, baby dragon.
You look pajama-tastic.
Just like a real dragon.
Want to play basketball with us?
Teddies, we've got someone very special for you to meet.
It's our baby dragon.
A dragon?
He's just hatched from his egg.
See?
Bananas, I don't think that's a baby dragon.
Of course it is. He has scaly skin.
And beady eyes.
Just like a baby lizard.
A baby lizard?
That doesn't make sense. Rat sold us a dragon's egg.
And he told us how to look after it.
We weeded his vegetable patch to grow strawberries.
We built a treehouse for the dragon to fly from.
And we're going to clear out Rat's shed so it has a safe place to sleep.
But it really is a lizard. And lizards don't need looking after. They're happy in the bush.
Oh.
That naughty rat's played a trick on you, Bananas.
A big trick.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
It's Trick Rat Back Time!
Rat, hurry!
Come quickly.
What's wrong?
The bananas are coming. Their dragon's egg has hatched. And they're bringing it here.
Here? A dragon?
They said it can eat all your strawberries.
And fly from your treehouse and live in your shed.
This can't be right.
Why not?
Because I tricked the bananas into buying that egg.
You did?
I had no idea it was a real dragon. It can't possibly stay with me. What am I going to do?
Sounds like you have a big problem, Rat. Unless you tell the bananas the truth.
Why should I tell them that?
Then they might find somewhere else to keep their dragon.
Yes, indeed. Bananas, just who I need to...
What is it, Rat?
That egg! It was a trick. I'm so sorry. I'll do whatever you want. But please, don't make me keep your dragon in my shed.
What do you think, B2?
I'm not sure, B1.
Please. I'll give you back your 4 honey cakes.
4?
6, 8, 10 even! Just take that creature away!
Oh, but he's such a nice little lizard.
See?
Lizard?
You sold us a lizard's egg.
It's only a lizard. Now, wait a minute. You tricked me?
Just like you tricked the bananas.
And we're going to really enjoy eating all those honey cakes, Rat.
Oh, cheese and whiskers.